Good morning, World History Cardinals. I just wanted to take this time to give you a video of how to get to your Canvas courses. You would first go to your NC Ed Cloud and then click on your dashboard, and you should look for the icon that says Honors World History Semester 1 with Wall. Click that and it's going to take you to the home page. You will then scroll down. You can read it if you want, but you can scroll down and look for this button right here. It says Enter Here. You must do that. Do not go through modules, because modules will not show you the accurate or precise lesson. So you will click on Enter Here, and there you will see your units, Unit 0, Unit 1 through 8. We have only covered Unit 0 and Unit 1. Your quiz is coming from these two units, mainly though Unit 1. So let's click on Unit 1. And then you want to jump down immediately from where we started. Well, here's Unit 0. It just goes back into the bias and the prejudice and studying Pompeii. And that was just an activity. You did the timeline. But the real work, the real units come here. So for the quiz, you need to study and review the notes that we took on Unit 1.1 for world religions, Unit 1.2 for the Silk Roads, Unit 1.3 for Tang and Song dynasties, Unit 1.4, the Trans-Saharan trade, Unit 1.5, Indian Ocean trade, Unit 1.6, Mongols, and then you can just kind of review with the quizzes that we did on 1.7, the map activity. This is the heart of what your test will be on tomorrow. Remember, this is a quiz, meaning that it's only going to be scored as one of the rehearse levels. It's just going to be on rehearse, which means it'll be like 30% of your grade. It's not formal. There are only 10 questions, and you should be fine. It is not open notes. This is not an open notes test. So make sure you study. You can create your own Quizlet. You can just make your own type of flashcards. That part on how you want to study is basically on you. But you do have all of the notes if you copy them down as we were writing them in class. I'm also back on the home page just so you can figure out how to get to the reminds. That's under teacher information. You would click that button and scroll down, and you'll see in bold letters the World History Remind Code is right here, and the Creative Writing Remind Code is right here. You are encouraged to tell your parents to join. The Parent Remind Code and tutorials are going to start this week on September 23rd. They will be via Google Meet, so you will go home and then you'll log back in, and then I will greet you and we can start discussing anything that you have questions about that are going on in class. The final part that's on the home page is the grading. If you are confused as to how the grading system is working for CMS this year, I'd advise you to open this tab so you can just read it all for yourself. Remember, you are now in high school, so read from that third column. All right, guys, that's it. You should be working hard on your map activity and studying for the quiz. I should see you tomorrow. Have a blessed day.